Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and your Chrome browser is slow when it comes to downloading or browsing the internet, don't worry, I got you covered on this video. I'm going to show you how to increase your downloading speed and browsing performance. Without further delay, let's get started. So first thing for us to do is, open your Google Chrome. Let's open our Google Chrome here. Right, so once our Google Chrome is opened, our first step we're going to be doing is that we are going to disable Google Chrome from running at the background, even when it is closed. Now, to turn off this feature, just go to the settings, click on the three dots here, go to your settings. Under your settings, come to system, and then we have here, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So the reason why we are turning off this is that when Google Chrome is being closed, but still, because it's running at the background, it still covers the bandwidth of your internet. In order not to let Google Chrome use our bandwidth even when it is being closed, so you just have to disable this. So click on this to disable it. Once it is being disabled, definitely when you close the Chrome browser, it is not going to occupy or affect our bandwidth. Next is to enable parallel downloading. So to enable this, just add a new page once again. So on the search bar, type in Chrome. We have colon / then we have flags, and then enter. Sorry, I didn't type it well. So what you just have to do is that type Chrome colon / then we have flags, and then enter. Right, so you can see that. So this is it, Chrome colon / flags. So now search in here on the search flags, type in parallel downloading. Right, so we have parallel downloading here. As you can see, parallel downloading is on default. What you just need to do is that click on this and then enable it. And as you can see, it's saying that we should relaunch the browser. So once it's enabled, relaunch it. As we have relaunched it, once our parallel downloading is enabled, the next step is to go onto your settings once again. Click on the three dots once again and go to settings. As we are on the settings, go to privacy and security, and then scroll down and go to security. Now scroll down here, we have this use secure DNS. So we are going to be using one of our public DNS, which is Google or Cloudflare. So enable this, and then in here it says we should select our OS default. So even when you come here, sometimes it is already enabled. Once it's enabled, but Google or Cloudflare is not being selected, you now come here, drop this down and select Cloudflare or Google. So for now, I would advise that you select Cloudflare. If you select Cloudflare and you still observe that your downloading speed is not that much, you can come back here and change it to Google. So either way, going to work. So, but once you just select this, you experience that there is going to be some changes. So our next step is to disable some few extensions which are not necessary. So once again, whilst we are still in the settings, you can see here we have here extensions. So click on extensions. And as it opens our extensions for us, what you have to observe that you can see that these are extensions which is already on our Google Chrome browser. If you have observed that you have not downloaded or installed any extension here, what you just need to do is that you just have to disable it or remove it as well, just in order to relieve some stress from your browser. You can see that once we removed this extension, it is no more in addition to all our extensions. Better still, one other way to do this is if you have many extensions which are here and you have observed that you have not been using them regularly, you can decide to disable them. So anytime when you want to use them, you come and enable it just to release some stress within the browser. That is just how easy and simple it is to strengthen your internet speed or download speed when it comes to using Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.